Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing new cab lights and a new third brake light on the truck here. So here we have everything opened up. Um, Actually, the only thing you'll need for this entire install is one Phillips head screwdriver. I bought these because unlike the LEDs that are on the truck, these are replaceable bulbs, so you don't have to buy a whole new set of lights every time you want to, one of the lights burns out, which is inevitably going to happen. And then I have my LED third brake light here, which also is just held in by two screws, which is going to replace that old wore out ugly looking thing right there. And then of course my cab lights started burning out, so I've decided to replace them, and I've got a little moisture in them. This set also came with new screws, which is good. It's always nice to have new screws, short and long. Your short one's for your internal one and your long one for your external. So that should work out really well. Keep watching and I'll show you how you get it done.
So what we're going to do is with these screws, hopefully they don't break, because you have to reuse them on the kit for the actual truck here. Yep, got that one out. You're not going to need a little plastic washer, so you can remove the old plastic washer. Set your screw down. Do the same thing over here. Remove the screw. Bam. Alright, so now you gotta try to get the light out. It's been in there forever. Maybe something to pry out the old light is necessary. This one's got the 4 bulbs, but that part we don't need anymore. So we're switching over to old foam stuff's always a real pain in the ass to part. You gotta find your old foam stuff likes to get all over your hands. There it is, right there. And I guess you could hang on to that if you wanted to. I'm gonna expertly catalog it in that bucket down there. And then what you want to do, make sure you wipe this down real good with something. I'm using my thumb because I forgot that I needed a rag, so that's alright. We're going to put this on there. A little 3M goodness. Alright, let's say we're going to put it on there. We'll quit tearing. Really, I don't know why I even removed it. Alright, this is being difficult. There we go, perfect. I'm just removing your sticky here. Oh shit, I ruined that. Okay, well. Just gonna remove all the sticky. Pop out the screw holes, which are gonna stick to you because this is 3M, it's good shit. Pop that one out. I really need to stop cussing on video, but I'm gonna have to edit out now. Hopefully all your shit doesn't stick together. All your stuff is to there. And we go over the holes. Do your best to line this up real good so you don't fight your screws going in like that. And like that. And then attach your wiring harness here. Make sure it's good. And put all that back up in there. Sticky is really just more just a seal than anything. Use that seal. You can pull your nice pretty plastic junk off there. And we're going to remember to remove your little black plastic O-ring or washer. This would be a washer. Put your screw in the bucket, so then you get to go fishing for it. Yeah, don't do that too many times. Well, I guess I see the ring now. Now, I did come for plugs for these holes, which is nice. So you won't see these old TS screws because I was going to paint them. But since I don't have to, I'm not going to. It's like the new cab lights came with new screws. So I'm going to put this in here, like this. Fiddle around until we get the screw started. And don't over tighten, because you gotta get the other one in. I'm not real certain how accurate these holes were drilled. So, oh yeah, they're good. Then tighten them on down. Just till they start feeling real snug, because of course you don't want to crack your housing. Nice and snug. Everything's real good. And then you gotta put in, you want to put in your little rubber stoppers here. Rubber covers. Oh, I say you did. Oh, maybe the screws are supposed to go through those. Okay, hold on. Okay. Skipped a step there. Take screw bag out. It's fine. Just take screw bag out. Fully look at our product before. Apparently I should paint screws now, but oh well. Put your little rubber washer on there, grab that. Come back with a Sharpie or a paint marker and paint these up later. And do the same thing over here. Sissy, that's fucking great, bro. Anyway, so we're gonna replace. Make sure you put your little O-ring on there. Screw it down. Make sure you jack that O-ring way the fuck up because it won't fit in the hole. Go ahead and screw it on. It's nice and snug. And then, there you go. One installed, third brake light.
Well guys, it turns out that we're not going to be able to install these cab lights on the truck because the holes are on the front and the back on these, and on my cab lights, as you can see right there, they're on the side. So I'm going to have to order another set of cab lights. I'm probably going to post these for sale online for a couple bucks. They weren't very expensive anyway. Still going to go with the blacked out style, but we did get our third brake light installed. Looks pretty good. I'm going to come back through and blacken them screws out. So on the next video, hopefully we'll be installing cab lights, or I might wait and tie it into this one. I'm not sure. I'm going to get online here in a minute and look up and see if I can get some ordered pretty quickly and get them here soon, just because I don't like my stuff not working. Hey guys, welcome back. So finally, the cab lights I ordered came in. It's raining right now, so we're not going to get them installed. Thought we'd take a look at them. Them and the bulbs that I ordered. Hopefully these are the right ones this time. And the truck, I can finally finish up my truck. So there's the bulbs. There's a pack of 10 Mars Auto LEDs. So they're supposed to replace your factory peanut bulbs. We'll see how that works. There's a couple other bulbs in here I'm going to replace with these. So here's our new cab lights. They came with the wiring harness and the backing plate. The screw holes seem to be in the right spot on the sides, hopefully. So maybe tonight, maybe on a lunch break or something, it'll quit raining long enough for me to install these and I'll get shown to you guys. Came with screws and washers. So we gotta do that. We gotta get those installed. Put the peanut bulbs in my tag lights, my glove box, and a couple other spots. We also tonight, I have to go fuel up and give you guys an update and tell you how much my fuel economy improved over when I did the transmission and my fuel filter. And we also have to give you your 1 month update on the tires on the truck tonight. So that'll all be coming out in this video. So just stay tuned. Hey guys, and welcome back. So right now it's Friday night. We're sitting here getting diesel. As you can see, we're getting our diesel. We're gonna see if that transmission fluid in your fuel filter will increase your fuel economy at all. Is it a one-time deal? Is it a two-time deal? I'm gonna kind of keep this an ongoing watch and see if it continues to help. Is it just kind of a one-time, one and done? Alright guys, as you can see, we did 423.8 miles and we spent $67.72 and 28.112 is what we got in diesel. So we're going to do the math and see if that trick worked or not. Alright guys, after doing the math, as you can see there, it doesn't look like our fuel economy increased. It actually kind of looks like it decreased. That being said, it's been kind of cold out, so I have been idling the truck around a lot. I think what we're going to do is we're going to continue to monitor it, and see if we actually do get an increase over time. Now, this is just the first week. Like, it's been 1 week since I've done that. I have been idling the truck around a lot, just leaving it, going into the store, letting it idle and stuff because it's been kind of cold. So we're going to see if this next week, what I'm going to do is, of course, I didn't change the fuel filter again, but we're not going to leave it idling at all outside of a store. We're just going to turn it off or whatever, and we're going to see if it's better. Because that's actually it's a lot lower than I normally see. Normally I'm like 15.9 or right at 16. So I think I've just been letting it idle around too much, just leaving it running when I go to stores and stuff like that, or going outside to crank it early before I go to work. So that doesn't. I don't think that was a really good representation. I wish it would have been a little better, but hey, what can you do? All right, guys, we got our new cab lights installed. They look pretty good. Try to get you a better view here at night. Headlights. And our new third brake light, hopefully. About these tires, your 1 month update. No abnormal wear or anything like that. They're holding up super good. They haven't got loud yet. They're not chopping out. I'm going to talk about their mud capabilities a little bit. Went deer hunting the other day and had to go through some decent mud. It wasn't much, they're not a mud tire, but they did really well. I didn't slip, didn't spin, or anything like that. I'm very, very happy with these tires so far. As you see, we went through a little bit of mud, nothing too heavy. But that's gonna be your 1 month update on the tires.